Our next topic is invasion of privacy. The most common ways for a journalist to invade someone's privacy is first, intrusion. This is a form of invasion of privacy in which a reporter gathers information unethically in a situation where someone has the right to expect privacy. Now, intrusion might involve trespassing, a crime in which the reporter walks or snoops onto private property without the owner's consent. It might also involve secret surveillance, using hidden cameras, recorders, or bugging devices. Or it might involve misrepresentation, disguising oneself to gain unauthorized access to a private area. Invasion of privacy also includes the public disclosure of private facts. Now, this might involve the disclosure of private facts, those known only to family or friends, and not of a legitimate concern to the public. It might involve intimate information, something personal that people wouldn't ordinarily want revealed, or offensive information that's liable to humiliate someone if the information became widely known. In March 2008, the University of North Carolina Chapel Hill student body president Eve Carson was kidnapped and murdered. 4 years later, Carson's photo appeared on this billboard in India, advertising study abroad programs. The company said the use of the photo was not intentional, but it obviously wasn't used with permission. This is a pretty severe case of appropriation in advertising, but one I wanted to share with you.